If you have ever thought of converting your own original video into an anime version of it, then this tutorial is just what you need. Now, follow me as I walk you through a step-by-step procedure on how to convert your original video into an anime character version. Now, the interesting part is that this video can be converted into an anime version 1, comic character 2, and then a cartoon character 3. So if you're excited, let's go straight into it. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then hit the like button so that it serves as a motivation for me. Now, having done that, let's go. Open your Google Chrome browser and make sure you turn it to desktop mode so that the site you're about searching, all the features will show very well, and then search for Go Enhance. You can add goenhance.com or just type in Go Enhance in Google search and the result will appear. So make sure you select the very first one. After you have signed up and logged in, you will be brought to a page that looks like this. Make sure to select video to video from the options that will be displayed at the very top of this page. Tap on the square at the top left corner so you can add your video which you intend turning into an anime character. So these are my videos. I'll select that which I want to use. Always make sure that your video is up to 5 seconds long and less than 30 megabytes because of using the free version. Our video is successfully uploaded, so the next thing to do is to tap on style as you can see underneath the video. Look through and select the option you want, but I will go for anime style too. So I'll tap on it, scroll downwards and then locate generate at the bottom left corner. Please be advised that Go Enhance gives you 45 tokens for the free version. So if you exhaust everything within a month, you would have to upgrade to the paid version. It will take a couple of minutes for your anime to be generated. So here we are. This is our own anime. Yes, so this is how it looks like. You can play it and then see how beautiful it looks. So if you like any other style, you can still go through the process and then select a different style other than anime, a comic character, a cartoon, any other thing. So in order to download, you can see download right underneath the video. So you tap on download and get it downloaded onto your file like this. So after downloading everything, this is how our anime video turned out. If you want to subscribe to the paid version, my affiliate link is in the description below. Use that to purchase at no extra cost to you. I believe you have learned something from this tutorial, so I will see you in the next one. Subscribe. I'm out.